Hey everyone, Certified Lymphedema Therapist here. Let's go step by step through the sequence and technique for lymphatic drainage of the face using a dry brush. If you want printable handouts, check out the links in the description box down below. Dry brushing should be done with a soft bristled brush. There should be no skin breakdown or irritation from brushing. If someone does, then using a softer brush or using their hand is best. I will be using the lymphatic brush for this routine because it's incredibly soft on the skin and contours the face nicely. I will place a link to this brush as well as other options in the description box down below. First, we want to start with stimulating the lymph nodes that are right around the collarbone or clavicle area. So putting the hand directly on the skin, doing 8 to 10 circles in either direction on both sides. This is where all of the fluid from the head, neck, and face area have to drain to before moving back to the heart. We also want to stimulate the lymph nodes that are right below the ear on either side of the face. So putting the hand and making sure that we're using our full hand underneath the jaw and around the ear and doing 8 to 10 circles to stimulate those lymph nodes. Then we want to start to move the fluid and clear out the area first. So we want to start from below the ear and brush down the side of the neck towards those lymph nodes at the collarbone 8 to 10 times. We can do the same thing on the other side. We're guiding the fluid from the ear down the side of the neck towards the lymph nodes. After we've cleared the area, then we're going to work into the face. Start from the middle of the face and work out and underneath the jaw and around the lower cheek towards the lymph nodes below the ear. This is the direction that the fluid moves to before moving down the side of the neck. So doing 5 to 10 on one side and then repeating the same thing on the other side, guiding the fluid from the middle of the chin out to the side and also working underneath the jaw. After finishing with the jaw and the face, we can work into the cheek. So starting from the middle and guiding the fluid outwards towards the ear or below the ear. You can do 5 to 10 strokes in either area and then work into another area as well. So starting below the eye and around the nose, being nice and gentle, everything guiding to below the ear. Repeating the same thing on the other side. Start with the lower cheek, guiding outwards, and moving up the face as needed. You can spend as little or as much time in an area as you'd like, or whatever someone may need. We just want to make sure that we're nice and gentle, especially around the eye area. That's why I prefer the lymphatic brush versus a true dry brush, as it's less harsh on that sensitive skin. Working up into the forehead, starting from the middle and guiding the fluid up and around towards below the ear. Depending on the size of your dry brush, you might have to hold it in different ways. Or again, using your hand, everything guiding in the same direction. Can go back and finish in any area that you may need or that feels best, making sure that everything guides to the lymph nodes that are right around the ear. And after we finish with the face, then we want to go back and clear all of that fluid down and out of the neck and face. So starting from below the ear and working on the side of the neck, downwards towards the collarbone or clavicle area where those other lymph nodes are. Doing 5 to 10 strokes on both sides. Once we finish with the brush, I like to go back and re-stimulate the lymph nodes. So doing 8 to 10 circles at the lymph nodes below and around the ear. And then also going back and stimulating the lymph nodes at the base of the collarbone or clavicle area. 8 to 10 circles on both sides. It's always best to do this directly on the skin as able. And that's a full routine for dry brushing for the face for lymphatic drainage. This can be done 1 time a day or as needed. I hope you all found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.